Mambo's Diary, 9th the 3rd, 1650. Dear Diary.
I got captured alive by my own tribe. I'm terrified. Why would anyone do this to me? A person called Zulu has recently been caught for kidnapping other people in my tribe. He got taken away to the border. He was the one who captured me for payback for my father who took Zulu away. He must have escaped from my father's hands and ran back home. I got chained up and taken away to the beach and placed on a boat.
1704, 1650.
The stench was disgusting, so disgusting. Zulu told me that I would be here for 3 months, but on the bright side, we get to dance on the deck. My friend fell overboard. That's all I had. Then we had to go back to the hole all day, then come out for a few minutes, then go back under the hole. I don't like having to be cramped up in the hole.
708, 1650.
Going once, going twice, the auctioneer said as I secretly clasped my hands between the flux of water I stole off a white guy. They were selling us one by one. I saw no one from my tribe, but the other Africans seemed nice. I heard the sizzle of someone getting branded, the sound of screaming. I remembered wanting to sprint away.
1904, 1652.
My life is miserable. I want to escape to the border and run away to the distant and beyond. Every day we have to pick cotton and get the most smallest proportion of horrible food. Then we have to pick and pick. More and more cotton. My back feels like it is broken. By Jack,
Ethan, Jane.